Hi, this is Amy from MoxieDori. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a fun fall leaf daily. So I'm going to take my big leaf stencil and a dauber and some distressed inks and make something fun. So this color is called Fossilized Amber, and I always start with the light colors first and really get the negative of the stencil colored in with a lighter color. Then I go to the darker colors, which I need to apply much less of. This one is called Carved Pumpkin. I'm working in Scribbles That Matter today, and I'm using the maple leaf of the big leaf stencil. I love this stencil. I love maple leaves. I love fall. Next, I'm going to use Candied Apple. I love the way these little pads store in the bottom of these mini distressed inks. So you don't need a lot of the ink on the dauber, just a bit, and I'll do the edges to get those nice red tips that maple leaves have. Finally, I'll use the color Ground Espresso to just kind of darken up the leaf to make it look more realistic. Just a little bit of this one though. These inks are really easy to blend. So I put the blue painter's tape in the middle because that's where I'm going to write Thursday. So this is a daily I'm preparing for tomorrow. I will outline the leaf in using a Tombow Mono Drawing Pen 01. I like these nice thin nibs to trace the outside when I'm using distressed inks. It just kind of gives it a nice distinct boundary, but it's not overwhelming. So once I do the outline of the leaf, I'm going to take off the blue painter's tape and use my Tombow dual brush pen, number 636, nice deep royal purple, which looks beautiful with the oranges and reds and yellows of fall. I'm going to write Thursday, and while I do need to practice, I am much more comfortable with brush lettering than I used to be, and that's because I was using our tracing strips, or brush lettering tracing strips, for a long time. And my hand is now trained and looks exactly like the tracing strips. So there it is. Enjoy.